Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm just gonna start here, screen two, and you all. Okay, how's everybody doing? I'm just,
Gucci.
that's good, that's good. Just waiting on everybody to come in. Maybe we'll start in a minute.
You sound tired, bro.
Yeah, bro, it's been a long day. It's been a long day.
Bro, that 410 and that, bro, is huge.
Oh man, I might be flying out tomorrow, so I gotta finish everything I gotta do. Okay. All right, so let's get started, guys. What's going on, Vinny? Just gonna take a look at your chart. Hopefully you can see it here. Oh, and beautiful. Okay. So the 3-year 1 day is solid red. Dashed red, solid is 4 hour, dash yellow is 1 hour. Okay, so this is how your chart looks. I don't play beyond like that. So we'll chart it together. Right now, I'm on the weekly, right? I do see a level of resistance right around here. Let's edit that property. Beautiful. Uh, Take a look right here. And beautiful. So now let's take a point at where we see rejections, right? We do see a lot of wicks right here. Right here. Why won't it let me draw it? Oh, there we go. We do see a lot of rejections right here. Right there. We do see a lot of wicks. That means there is a war going on. I'm not too sure on why it's not showing me volume before that. But if there was volume here, you would see there's a lot of volume going on over here. And as it approaches and retests this level again, we see volume increasing, meaning that there's a lot of interest in this area. You with me so far, guys?
Yep.
Beautiful. Also see another weekly level right around there. Edit that property. Beautiful. So if we were to take a box right here, this would show you that every time the buyers picked up the price above 121, sellers brought it back down below 121, showing that there is a war going on right here. Vice versa. Once buyers finally picked up the price above 121, they will not let it go. And this is on the weekly time frame. All right, now I'm gonna jump into a smaller time frame and let's continue charting. Vinny, are you unmuted by any chance?
I am.
All right, beautiful. Man, I feel like every time I do these webinars, I'm by myself.
Well, you muted me.
I'm sorry you feel like that, bro.
No. It's fine. Okay. I'm gonna hop in.
I don't play Beyond either, but I figured it's one of the few that I haven't charted.
Okay.
I figured let me chart this.
Sure, no problem. One of the reasons I really don't like playing Beyond, Roku, or BA is just if I look at my history, every time I do trade them, I'm red, and just the price action moves too quick for me. So I personally don't trade it, but as you guys could tell, there's other people in the community who do well off trading these stocks. Okay, so I do see a daily level right around here. So this is 167, right around there. What I would do specifically for this daily level is I would do a box around it just to be aware. From right there to right around here, right there. Why did I do that box? Because the war is going on in between this box. If you guys take a look at the wicks happening over here, there is rejections right on top right here, these two candles right here, and right here, it respects the top of the box again, the bottom of the box, right here, choppy action. All in this range of this daily level, there is a war going on, but until it lets go above the box or below, I personally wouldn't take the trade.
Got it.
Where else do I see a daily level? Vinny, just a quick question. What time do you chart in the morning?
What time do I look at my charts? Normally I chart the night before or something, and then I look at them to see if I'm missing anything.
Okay. Okay.
And
I just like to gain perspective on what other traders are doing also.
yeah,
That's
and
what I'm
I like
asking.
to I like to have in my chart my previous week, the previous week high and low, current week high and low, and previous day high and low.
Okay. That's
I
not
I saw the script that you have, but the script that you have, I manipulated it a bit, but it still doesn't come out to a point where I like it, so I just do a manual.
That's no problem. Look, this is your world. You're charting. Do whatever makes you profitable. At the end of the day, that's all it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, I'm gonna start off by saying like what I'm looking for here is where I'm looking for interest where buyers and sellers are setting up a war, and once you figure out where the wars are happening, all it is figuring out who's winning that war and hopping on their side. That's basically all it is. You charted the 4 hour also.
Yep.
Okay. So the 4 hour, I usually don't chart, but I do see a level right around there. Why? Because there is interest right around these areas. It keeps respecting it around this 132 area. What else? If I extend this
I'll
a
tell you, I
little,
have a lot less lines ever since last week because I used to chart down to the 15-minute.
oh man, look, I keep it very simple. I
Yeah,
chart
no,
the, I still,
it definitely helped me this week. So,
oh, absolutely, man. I'll go over because someone else sent a Amazon chart, and you're gonna look how my Amazon chart looks. By Friday, it looks like a mess, but as long as I'm starting off the week with a clean chart, I could see the bigger picture and the smaller picture a lot easier. I could actually see the candles. If you have way too many lines, how you're looking at the price action? Because price action is telling the full story.
100%.
So I have a 4 hour level right around 133. Where else? We could have a level right around here, around this 90 area. Why did I say this 90 area? Is because if we take a look, there was a nice rejection here, then it pushed up. Right here, it consolidated in this area. If you guys take a look at the wicks, it pushed down over here. It had a hard time struggling, pushing above 90 in this area until it finally let go and pushed up. And if we take a look back further, right? Right here, it was holding all over here. It rejected 90, it pushed above, right? Then pushed down below, retested 90, then finally let go. Same story happens here again. And that's why I would have the 90 level, 90.4. It doesn't have to be on the dot. Just when you're trading, keep in mind of the psychological levels. Let's go down to the 20-day 1 hour. So I would definitely draw a level right here. This 137.8 mark. So if you guys take a look, we're looking for high rejections, and just take a look at value. It got rejected here early in the morning. If you take a look here, tons of volume. Same thing over here. Obviously in the open, we're gonna see tons of volume. But if you guys take a look at the wicks, buyers pushed up the first green candle, touched 137.8, then they rejected that candle all the way down to 136.5, right? This was probably something off of news or something like that. Right here, perfect. So what happened here is we got a green full body, right? Green full body candle into 137.8, and the next candle rejected it. So that's the more time it tests that level, the more that we are sure that there is a war going on, right? What else we got? We definitely have more levels, multiple points. Boom, boom. Okay, so maybe this 127.3 area. So if you guys take a look right here, tested it once, tested it twice, and this hourly candle closed into 127.3, probably pushed down a little bit, then made the aggressive move up. But I wouldn't consider this 127.3 area a really strong level. So sometimes what I would do, even if I do spot a war on the 1 hour, right? Sometimes I'll just leave it as a white line to let me know that this is not really a strong level or a strong key level going on. Over here at the open, it pushed down aggressively off the 4 hour, right? Held the 127. And I guess if if it pushed down or whatever was going on with beyond that day, let go and came to respected this level at the end of the day. And yeah, that's basically beyond. If I just zoom out maybe to the 180-day 4 hour, that's basically how I would have my chart set up. I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar to yours. All right, Vin, you good?
Yeah, thank
Do
you.
you see how I spot the wars? Like, if you have any questions, just ask me now, because maybe one of the questions you're asking will help somebody else out.
So you do weekly, daily, then 1 hour. You don't do 4 hour.
On the 4 hour, I like spotting patterns, right? But for example, if I see on the 4 hour, there is a strong level which got tested plenty of times, I'll definitely throw it on there. But most of the time, I focus on the patterns on the 4 hour chart. I like drawing the weekly, the daily, and the hourly. That's it. And then once Monday progresses, like as the week progresses, I'll start adding in levels.
Do you add in levels at the 1 hour, or do you go down to like 15 minutes or something?
So once I spot levels on the 5 minute, that's where. So on the next chart, one of our buddies, he actually drew it. Let me pull up Amazon. Beautiful. Okay. And I will have the 5. Beautiful. So if you guys take a look at the white lines, right? These are all lines that I added since Tuesday. Everything else, and this trend, this yellow solid line, I added it during the week, but like the red solid line, the red dash lines, and the hourly, those are all levels that I drew on Sunday. And as the week progressed, right, I added in those other levels. So if we take a look right here, right, let's see where we could spot wars. So I found a level at 3 to 10. There is a war going on, right? Right here, it tested it. Right here, not really over here, but definitely over here. It tested this area plenty of times. We see a couple of wicks until it finally let go. Tested this area one more time. The next day, on Wednesday, it tested this area before it finally made the move up, right? And then today, when the sell-off happened, right, the 3-2-10 area got tested again. And this other 3-150, right, that's just a psychological level that we have, right? For me, if we're playing with Amazon, because it's such a large stock or large numbered stock, for me, it would be every $50 mark would be a basically a minor key level. So over here, it got tested, pushed right back up. Next day, got tested again, and over here it got tested again. Maybe we'll find out tomorrow if it gets tested again or not. But that's how I find out. Like, if you guys take a look at the charts, right, when you're charting the next day, look what happened. Look at the intraday rejections. What happens, and that's how you would add levels throughout the week and figure out your scout where you would scalp.
Thank you.
No problem. If you guys have any more charts, just send it into the chat. Okay, so what? I'm sorry, but you have to tell me. Okay, the white is the weekly, yellow is daily, orange is the 4 hour, the blue is the 30 minute, and the green is the 5 day, 5 minute. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is actually save the picture and what? Save image preview. I don't know why it's not popping up. Boom. And beautiful. Let's see if we could get something up here. What's going on with Kodak? I don't know. I don't even trade. I haven't looked at that stock in a long time. Okay, so I guess it doesn't want to show me. I'm just trying to zoom in here. Apologize. Open link. Yep. And let's zoom in and take a look. Okay, so you do have levels at 3-1-8-1. Yeah, I do like that intraday level over there. You have a level around 3-10. Something I would recommend is just having, if you go into properties, right? edit properties, you could show the price either on the left of the screen or on the right of that level. I like having it on the right so I could know what level exactly I'm looking at. Let's see what else. We have the 3250, you have that mark. The 3275, yes. The 3300, yep. This chart is basically, it's a replica to mine. This chart is a replica to mine. It's beautiful. You guys have any other questions about charting? If you guys don't understand something specifically, just let me know. I'm looking at the chat. You guys are good? All right. All right, awesome. All right, guys. Take care, everybody. I'm probably gonna do a video later on, and I'll probably post it tomorrow for how to trade when SPY starts selling off, how to trade it, and just a little bit of psychology that goes behind it. All right, guys, and definitely see you guys tomorrow in the chat. Take care, everybody.
All right, bro. Safe trip.
Take care.
See you, man.